Hello, friends. This Christmas, my husband and I walked into Oberoi Mall, one of the biggest malls I've ever seen. And for a moment, the world felt like it had paused just for us. The giant Christmas tree stood tall like a guardian of childhood dreams, glowing with lights and silent wishes. From the ceiling, reindeer seemed to rain down gently as if Santa had just passed by and left behind a little magic. Every corner sparkled, every decoration whispered stories. As Srini and I walked hand in hand, something unexpected happened. Friends, the mall just disappeared, and my childhood stepped forward. The lights reminded me of storybooks I once believed in completely. The decorations felt like pages from fairy tales, which I thought was real. Friends, I became a child again. For a brief moment, I wasn't an adult, and walking through the mall, I felt I was a child again, with eyes wide, heart full of happiness, believing in magic without a question. And then came the excitement of meeting some of the great brands that I've always admired, like Zara, shining in all its elegance. Walking past those glass walls, trying their clothes, felt like meeting an old friend from glossy magazines and window shopping dreams. The brands not only impressed us, but it withheld the magic of Christmas because all the dresses that were arranged was of Christmas theme. And then we stepped into Minisaw, and oh, my heart melted a little. Tiny Christmas wonders everywhere, cute decor, playful gifts, and those little things that make you smile without even trying. It felt like a pocket sized Christmas village, perfect, cheerful, and full of warmth. I picked up things I didn't really need but absolutely wanted because Christmas has its own logic and joy is reason enough. That evening at Oberoi Mall wasn't just about shopping or photos. It was about reliving innocence, about how love, lights, and memories come together quietly without asking permission. And as we walked out, I realized something beautiful. Growing up doesn't mean losing the magic, it just means finding it again in different places with the right person by your side. Srini laughed, watching me rediscover happiness in the smallest details. That's the thing about Christmas. Even the tiniest corners can hold the biggest smiles, like this Christmas tree. At that moment, I remembered the carol, Joy to the world, the Lord is come. This is the first time I visited this brand chic, and the clothes were ethnic, stylish, confident, and graceful. The kind of brand that doesn't shout but still gets noticed. Between playful Minisaw moments and refined chic vibes, the evening felt perfectly balanced, just like life, just like love. Different shades of happiness all under one Christmas tree. And the Christmas tree reminded me of this carol, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Hamley. This is a store every child loved. Bright toys, cheerful colors, and that unmistakable joy in the air. Hamley just didn't sell toys, it sold time travel. Every shelf felt like a page from my childhood, every smile felt familiar. Without an invitation, Srini just went into Coco Cart and Cafe, his favorite shop, because the shelves were full of chocolates that Srini loved. And it was not from India alone, it was from all around the world. Each bar wrapped like a promise, each flavor carrying a story from a different country. It felt less like a store and more like a passport to sweetness. The cafe nearby smelled of comfort, coffee, cocoa, and quiet conversations. We sat there for a while, sharing smiles, warmth, and tiny bites of happiness. Chocolate melted, laughter lingered, and Christmas felt complete. In that moment, I realized something simple and beautiful. Joy doesn't always arrive loudly. Sometimes it comes softly in a cup of coffee, a piece of chocolate, and the company of the one we love. I had cold coffee and Srini tried hot chocolate and it tasted heavenly. Friends, we tasted some of the best chocolates because it not only tasted rich, not just in flavor but in feeling. It was smooth, it was deep, it was indulgent, just like Christmas itself melting on the tongue. Perfect taste for the Christmas season. One bite, one smile, and we both knew some memories should stay longer because they're made up of chocolate. Friends, these are the varieties of chocolates that you can see. It was rich, it was velvety, and it was indulgent. Each bite felt like a tiny Christmas celebration. And the chocolates melted so slowly, leaving behind comfort, joy, and a lingering smile. One bite led to many bites, and we forgot that we were on a diet. Anyways, it was Christmas season and we could indulge once in a while, isn't it? And friends, this is the food court at Oberoi Mall. And finally, the food court did what it does best, made us very hungry without even asking permission. After all the walking, wandering, and wandering, the aroma of food pulled us in like magic. There were so many choices, and we could see smiles everywhere, happy people eating the choice of their food, and that created more confusion of what we should eat. Finally, we had our choice of food. We both were so hungry, so every bite tasted like magic. Friends, please comment on your Christmas and New Year celebration. I'd love to read that. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous New Year. May year 2026 bring you all the happiness and prosperity, joy, peace of mind, and good health. Thank you all for watching all my videos, and thanks for all your comments. If you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe, like, and share to watch all my interesting upcoming short and long videos. Bye bye friends. Meet you in my Dubai vlog. Smile more.